Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new cigar humidor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's actually go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, very nice. Everything came packaged very nice. All right, check it out. Very, very nice. Looks very good. All right, let's see the inside. So you get the instructions, you get the humidifier right here, and then the dropper for that, as well as a divider if you so choose to want to use it in here in the middle or basically wherever you want. So very cool. And let's go ahead and actually turn this on. It should already come with batteries. Bam, there it is. Literally just turn it on, you're good to go. This is a sticker on here, so you can actually remove this if you so choose to. So we'll go ahead and remove it. Perfect. And that's what it'll look like once you take it all off. Very nice. Right away, you do smell that cedar wood the second you open it. It does fit about 20 to 35 cigars depending on the cigar. So let's go ahead and actually put at least 2 in here so we can kind of get an idea. So I got them in there. We'll go ahead, we can put the humidifier there. Seal this back up, and it's literally good to go. I do like this glass top, very clean. You're able to see your cigars right here. Very, very cool. As you can see now that I took it off, the hygrometer looks really, really clean, really nice. I do like the overall aesthetic look of it. Just gives it like a high-end look to it. Very, very cool. This would make a great gift, especially like someone that really enjoys cigars, Father's Day gift, Christmas, anything like that. This would look really, really cool on someone's desk or office. But even the bottom, very, very nice. The other thing I did want to point out, it is very lightweight. It's about 2.3 pounds, but you can just tell that it's gonna take care of the cigars on the inside. You can just tell it's very well built. This will keep everything sealed nice and clean, nice and shut. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new cigar humidor, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link in the description so y'all can get yours.